Some months are considered sacred in the light of the Quran and Sunnah, but the month of Shaban has been glorified and sanctified beyond the prescribed boundaries of the Sharia and at times given more reverence than the blessed month of Ramadan. Today, inshallah, this will be our topic of discussion. Shaban is the 8th month of the Islamic calendar and is a derivative of the word Shob, which literally means a valley or a pass. Basically, we have to cross this month to reach the blessed and holy month of Ramadan. It is narrated by Hazrat Anas radhiyallahu anhu that once Prophet ﷺ was asked that after Ramadan, which month holds most virtue for fasting? Prophet Muhammad ﷺ replied, Shaban, so as to honor Ramadan. Basically, Shaban is a month for making preparations for the holy month of Ramadan. Then Prophet ﷺ was further asked that in which month doing sadaqah is considered better. Prophet ﷺ replied, in Ramadan. There is no Quranic verse which speaks of the month of Shaban as being holy or special. Prophet ﷺ instructed us, his ummah, to fast as much as possible till the 15th of Shaban and after that refrain from fasting. Why? So we can recoup and regain our energies for the month of Ramadan, the actual month prescribed for fasting. The blessed companion Usama ibn Zayd radhiyallahu anhu reports that he asked Prophet Muhammad ﷺ that, O Messenger of Allah ﷺ, I have seen you fasting in the month of Shaban so frequently that I have never seen you fast in any other month. Prophet ﷺ replied that Shaban is a month between Rajab and Ramadan which is neglected by many people, and it is a month in which an account of the deeds is presented before the Lord of the universe. So, I wish that my deeds be presented at a time when I am